Hey you guys! Today I'm going to be showing you how to free up your iCloud storage space when it's running low. I'm going to be showing you how to do this on your iPhone, so have this device on hand so you can follow along. Let's jump right in. So the first thing you want to do is get rid of any unnecessary apps in your phone. Sometimes they can start to add up and we even forget that we have certain apps, so it's smart to just go through your app library and delete them out. To delete an app out of your phone, you're just going to press and hold on that app, and then you're going to click Remove App. And then you have a couple different options here. You can either remove it from your home screen or you can delete the app. You want to delete it, obviously, because you want to get rid of that data and any of the storage. It's going to ask you to confirm, and if you are sure, you'll click delete. Once you've deleted it from your phone, you want to make sure that it's been deleted out of your iCloud. To check this, you're going to go into your settings. You'll click on your Apple ID at the top, and then you're going to scroll down and select iCloud. And then at the top here, it's going to read apps using iCloud, and you'll click show all. And then you're just going to scroll through until you find the app that you've just deleted. If you don't see it there, that means it's been deleted from your iCloud as well. The next thing you're going to want to do to clear up space is toggle off anything that doesn't need to be synced to your iCloud. To do this, you'll open up your settings, click on your Apple ID, and go back into iCloud. And just as before, go back into those apps using your iCloud. You'll click show all. Now you're just going to scroll through all of your apps and toggle off any of the ones that you don't want or need to be synced. So for example, if you don't want your WhatsApp to be connected, you'll just toggle that off. You can do this to Snapchat, Uber, any apps that you have that you don't need iCloud to be saving that data from, you just turn those right off. Hey, if you're finding this video helpful, you can also support the channel through super stickers. Super stickers basically just help fund the channel, and it helps us continue to create content for you guys. Thanks, and let's get back to the video. If you go to the top of your iCloud, you can see what's using the most of your storage. So my photos and my Google Docs are using the most of it, same with my messages. And so what I can do is go back into those apps, and I would just toggle off my Google Docs if I wanted that, as well as my messages or my messages in WhatsApp. I could turn those off as well. The next thing you want to do is go through and delete your backups. Backups can take up quite a bit of room in your phone, so going through and deleting them is going to be really effective. To do this, you're going to go into your settings. You're going to go back into your Apple ID and into your iCloud. In your iCloud, you're going to click on Manage Account Storage. And then from here, you'll scroll down until at the very bottom, you'll find backups. You'll select this, and then you're going to select any of the backups here. So right now, because this phone is newer, I've never had a backup on here, but if you did, it would be here, and at the very bottom here, you would have that option to delete that backup. And you can repeat this process depending on how many backups that you have. It is smart to leave one recent backup on your phone just in case. The next thing you want to do is get rid of any unneeded larger files in your iOS. So this is going to be anything in your Files app or your photo library. So what you'll do is just open up your files, and below your files you'll see how large that file is, and just go through, find the ones that are the largest and that you don't need anymore, and delete them out of there. This goes with your photos as well. If you're somebody who likes to keep everything that you have and you don't want to get rid of any big files, what you can do alternatively is upload to your computer or to a hard drive. So what I have is a larger external drive that I upload all of my things to. That way I don't actually have to get rid of them, I just need to relocate them. There's also other things you can do. You can upgrade your iCloud storage. I've made a separate video on that, so if you don't know how to upgrade your storage, go click on that video and it'll tell you everything you need to know. Once you upgrade your storage, you're going to be given a bunch of different features, and you'll be able to keep those bigger files on your phone at all times. Another thing you can do is move your photos to Google Photos. This is going to keep everything easy to access, but it's going to take it off of your Apple device and your iCloud and free up that space for you. You can also email your files and your photos to yourself at a special Gmail address. And as I mentioned before, you can move them offline. You can buy drives that can hold quite a bit of storage for pretty cheap if you look on Amazon or even go into stores like Staples or Walmart even. And this is a really good way to keep everything in one place, and it's going to be easy to access, but it's not going to take up any more room in your iCloud. Alrighty, you guys, that's it for today's video. I know that was a lot of information, but I hope that one or all of these worked for you and that you have cleared up some storage space for yourself. Thanks again, and as always, I will see you guys in the next video.